We need to talk, and I'm serious. We really do. If you're getting this, is because we feel like just running some rough numbers that a refinance may be in your immediate future. Maybe not today, but soon, very soon. And we think we should at least have a conversation to talk about what a strike price looks like. I mean, if rates aren't where they need to be yet, let's figure out what that structure looks like for when it is. So, meaning if today's rates don't make quite enough financial sense to pull the trigger, we can at least say, okay, when they get to this point, then you know and we know and we can help monitor that for you so that because obviously this is our job. We see rates daily and they do change daily. If there's an opportunity in the future, we can say, here's when we do it, what it looks like, and what that makes sense, then we can do it. But I'm telling you right now, chances are if you're getting this, because we're starting with the low-hanging fruit first, the ones that seem the most obvious, it probably makes sense to talk right now and make sure because I really think a refinance does make financial sense for you. We'll certainly let you know. We'll do a refi analysis. We do this all the time, every loan that says, okay, if we can recreate your current mortgage, compare it to the new mortgage, and we're going to look at the savings, not necessarily the monthly payment, right? Because that's not the savings, that's a cash flow thing. We got a lot of folks right now that are refinancing from a 30-year fix into a 20-year. The payment stays about the same, so there's no quote, savings, but man, they're saving a ton because they've just knocked off a ton of years on their mortgage. And now a lot bigger portion of their payment goes towards principal and less towards interest. So if you're receiving this, again, we believe you are in the money and it makes sense to refinance. So please schedule a time. We'll put a link around here, do a refinance analysis with us. We can absolutely determine if it does make sense. And if you know somebody in your world, if there's somebody you know, love, and trust and want to take care of them, help them save some money, forward this on to them so they can see it as well. We'll take good care of everybody that comes our direction. We'll absolutely let you know what your exact break even is and why you should or shouldn't do it because there's too many big companies who shall remain nameless, but they stink and they make me mad where they're refinancing people when they shouldn't. And then lastly, people are like, well, should I just wait? The rates are starting to go down lower. About this last year, and it lasted about a week and a half. And then rates went up. And so you got a lot of folks that have been waiting to refinance. Those are the folks we're doing now because they've been waiting because look, if we knew rates were going down for certain, great. But at the end of the day, do it now, save some money. And yes, if rates keep going down a year from now, rates go lower, we'll refinance again. You're like, well, I don't want to spend the extra money. We don't want that for you either. But what if they don't? What if tariffs come into play or all this other stuff that's, I can't personally, I can't believe it. Like I'm just shocked we haven't had lower rates already for the last 2 years. I've been like, where's the recession? Like unemployment's still really, really good. Unemployment low. Inflation seems to be under wraps. So who knows? I hope we get lower rates. I think we might, but I just don't think it's going to be as fast and as fierce as everybody thinks. So to wait around could mean a year of just paying higher interest for no reason. And a lot of times, the refinance, the break even piece isn't that long. So you may do this and then it may make sense to refinance and you probably could even up in the money. But we'll let you know exactly where you stand so you can make a financially educated decision. And again, we appreciate you. You can go to mortgagemark.com. You can go meetmortgagemark.com to just schedule a time. If you said, man, I'm ready, let's do it. Meetmortgagemark.com and you can pick a time on the calendar and we will be there to make sure we go through this. And there's a refinance analysis form as well. So reach out to us. Remember, when you think mortgage,